It sure is windy out today. That's not going to stop me from going on a drive. Let's go. Took me away. Where am I anyways? Oh my word, I'm on top of somebody's roof. How will I ever get down? I guess I better call for some help. While I'm up here, I might as well call a gutter guy too, because these gutters are dirty. Oh man, where did I put my cell phone? Oh, there it is. Hello, dispatch. The wind blew me right off the road. Can you send for help?
Dispatch to E23.
Roger.
Sargent just called. He said the wind carried his car right off the road.
Oh no! I'll be right over. Dispatch didn't tell me where Sargent was. Do you think you can help me? Great, let's go! He's not here! Let's check over there! Not here either!
Help, help, over here!
Did you hear that?
Help, help, up here!
It sounds like it's coming from up high!
Up here, help! I'm right here, can't you see me?
You're right! Sargent and his car is right up on that roof! Don't worry, Sargent, I'll save you. Are you hurt?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I'm really hungry. Do you think they'll deliver a pizza up here?
Sargent, I'm not sure, but right now we need to focus on getting you down. But I just don't know how to get him down from there. How should I get Sargent down? Do you have any ideas? Great idea! I'll get a chair. This stool isn't high enough, and it also seems dangerous. Do you have any other ideas? A rope? That's a great idea. Sargent, my stool isn't tall enough, but these nice people at home think we can use our rope to get you down.
That's super awesome! I always wanted to be a rock climber. This is gonna be so much fun!
Sargent, this isn't rock climbing.
I'm gonna just use my imagination.
Sargent, try to catch this.
I got it! Maybe not.
Good job, Sargent, you got it. Now you're gonna need to keep down slowly and carefully. You're doing great, Sargent. Slow and easy.
You did it! You got me down! Thank you!
You're welcome. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine now! Thanks to you!
Did you think